going on, guys? What are we doing today? Today we got Russian meatballs with tomato sauce on the agenda. Very easy recipe, delicious, doesn't take too much time to do. Very easy, healthy, and incredible recipe for you. So subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and let's go through the ingredients here. Let's get the ingredients. We have 2 pounds of ground beef. 3 pounds of ground beef. It's 73-27, pretty fatty, but that's what makes the sauce and the meatballs delicious. We got a cup of rice. I just got a new package here, but we will go ahead and open this one. An egg. I usually put that in to make the meatballs kind of stick together with rice and some other ingredients. I got black pepper, cumin, oregano, salt, and into sauce I do put bay leaves. So in the sauce we got onion, carrots, tomatoes, garlic, and chives. Next step is take care of the rice. Since we have 3 pounds of meat, I usually do a little bit over one cup and top it off with the water. Mix it in with your hands, and you'll see the water will become very murky at first. So what we need is to have a clear water. So dump it like this and then fill it up again. Keep going, kind of massage the rice really good in that water and dump it again. So now it's very clear. You can see on the bottom, the rice is ready to go. So now what we have, we're gonna deal with the meat. I already pre-cut some garlic, onion, all of the spices here, and that's it. So let's take care of that. Next step, put the spices in, a little bit of salt, pepper, oregano, and cumin. I usually do like a tablespoon, an egg to it. Once we have all this done, we just kind of squish the meat, make it flat. Usually put one big head of garlic per pound. I'm gonna put another one just because I'm Russian. And next step is the onion. So here you go. This is what we got to work with. What we do next is just go ahead and kind of mix this in. Okay. What I'm gonna do next is just dump this water from the rice and then just sprinkle a little bit of rice on it and mix it in. Add a little bit more. Here you go. The next step will be the sauce. Pretty much it's very simple. All you do is saute the onions first, then add some carrots, spices. Again, it's pretty simple: salt, oregano, pepper, no more cumin at this stage. Just pretty much anything you like, and then dice some tomatoes in there, and at the end I do usually add some water and tomato paste. Alright, so we got onions, carrots, tomatoes sauteing over here. So next step would be to add spices. I usually add some salt, oregano, pepper, that, and next step would be kind of mix it all up a little bit. So mix it in real good. And after that I usually add a little bit of a garlic as well. Just a little bit. You can do 2 or 1.5 big heads depending on what size. I did 3 small ones. Just like that. Keep it on a medium fire so it doesn't burn. Mix it in, looks really good. Okay, so next step I would usually add, crank up the fire a little bit, and then I usually add just a slight amount of water to kind of get the base for the sauce going. You can already smell the garlic in there, onions. So now we open the tomato paste. Take the spoon and you can just take the whole can. There you go. Alright, now we're gonna mix it all in. As you can see, the sauce will kind of take shape and color just a little bit. So we'll get a little bit of that tomato red color to it. And alright, all we do is just add some water. Alright, so the sauce is boiling, perfect. We're gonna lower the heat so it doesn't burn on the bottom, and we're gonna take our pre-made meat here with rice and everything and start making nice and round balls and kind of place them all around the pan. Just like that. Here you go. It's perfect amount for the pan. Alright, please remember that we do have a rice inside of the meatballs, so the rice needs some moisture to add water to this. Just kind of carefully in between meatballs so that way you don't kind of get the meatballs all separated. I'm sorry. There is a special ingredient I usually put into my meatballs, and it's slight amount of pickle juice. Alright, you guys, this is what we have. Final moments of meatball making process. If you're gonna translate exactly the name of the dish from Russian to English, it's called hedgehogs. So done here. So let's go ahead and plate the meatballs. Let's put some chives on it. I like to add dill and some green onion, just like that. So here you go, here's the recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Easy to make, very lean, very delicious, quick recipe for you.
That's special.
I got the meat sweats, gotta tell you, it's delicious. So this recipe is very simple. I got it from my grandma, and the only one warning is let it cool off. If you're gonna be eating it right away, then you will be burning your mouth. So be careful with that. Have a good one, and I will see you next video.